Welcome back to the Bernick channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make this business card. Simple, easy to do. I'll show you exactly how to do it and how I did it. Quick and fast, and stay tuned. First thing you want to do is find this PNG, and this PNG is right here. Now, I couldn't find, really like this sun. It's a cool sun. I'm going to teach you guys how to get this sun. It's not very hard to do. What you want to do is come over here, your snipping tool, and I already did it, but I'm just going to show you one time. I won't save it, but I'll show you how to do it. So you click on it, you hold it, bring it right to there, click snipping. And you can find that in Windows. The only bad thing is with this snipping tool is you got right here, we'll have to take that out before we take it over. So you save it, which I already did, and then you're done. No, I don't want to save it, I was just kidding. So then we want to find the fishing pole. So you come down here and you type in fishing pole, and then I find the one I want, and I got this one right here. You just click on it and you can save it, but you can also do the snipping tool like I showed you, and it'll make it a little easier. So you click on it, come over here to this square, down. Now I will show you how to do that too. So you got this file here, but you don't want all this in there. So the easiest way to do this is, and as I showed before in other videos, is take your magic wand tool and hit delete. Now the problem is you still have this up here, so you want to hold the shift key and you want to hit that and hit delete. Now you come in and make sure that it's all gone. As you see, there's still a little bit right there. So you click on that and then you hit delete, and it should all be gone. So now it's all gone. Now you got the beautiful sun. So what you want to do is come over here, hit the move tool, hit Control D, and now hit the move tool. Now you should be able to come up here to your untitled, and this thing ought to be huge, fungus. So you hit the Alt key and bring it in real tiny. Bring it up here, bring it in, and like I said before, you want to do this like this. So, and then I'm going to find my fishing pole and come over here and click on it, and there it is. Bring it a little bit better. Click on it and be done with it. And one thing for sure, you don't want to bring it down here because, or even, let's say you put it right here, they'll all be cut off. It'll get cut off to about here. So you don't want to do that. You want to bring it up. You don't want it over here because they'll get cut off. You want it up a little bit. This is small. Business cards are not very big. So what you want to do is come over here to the text tool, and we're going to call this fishing channel. And you just type it in, fishing channel, and then I come over here to move. I'm going to center it up. Now it's not selected to canvas, so what you want to do is select the canvas. That way it'll move. Took me forever to figure that out years ago, but I figured it out. And then what you want to do is put in the phone number, which I'm going to put in a fake phone number, which is 555, like they use in the movies, 5555. I mean, who really has that number anyway? Anyway, you scoot that over. Try that. We're going to hit shift, click shift, and then come in right there, shift, and then this, and then hit delete. And now we got a transparent fishing pole. And then we're going to hit the move tool as we just did. And you can do this with anything. I mean, anything. Just remember that you're scaling it way down, so the pixels may not look as good as they should, but it is what it is. I mean, this is a business card that's going to go, and I'm going to bring that up a little bit like that because that's the way I like it. And I'm going to move it over here. I'm going to scale it out and make sure that I'm not off the page. And that, my friend, is that. So, hey, now you have it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and tell me what you all do. I'm just curious. I paint jets, and I also play music in a band, cover band. I do a little original too every once in a while. If there's anything you guys do that's unique, let me know. I'm just curious. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time on the Dobrinic channel. Bye.